I got a box of meat. So this whole week I've just been feeling like crap, kind of like out of breath. Starting to feel a little bit better now, so let's have some steak. Queso Oaxaca. This stuff melts really good. Tomatillos too. Make a good salsa. $200 steak. I figure I should make some tacos with this. I mean, $200 tacos gotta be good, right? I've got some corn tortillas, salsa's in the oven, and then we've got some queso Oaxaca that we're just gonna melt. Have some nice melty cheese. Damn, that's got a kick. You know, the thing about this stuff is it's so simple and delicious. Just tomatillos, onions, garlic, some jalapeno, cilantro. And it's got like a little mesquite smoky taste because I added some of that, just one moment. I added some of this mesquite peppercorn rub that we have at Spiceology. So good, check it out. A lot of y'all ask why I use this burner on my tabletop. Like, why you guys think I don't have a stove. A lot of people ask, do I have a stove? Yeah, the stove is right back there. That's where I do all my normal cooking, but whenever I'm filming it, I just put this thing on the table and it gets me a much better angle. Also, I've been loving this thing lately for my steaks. This cast iron Finex. I might be saying it wrong, Finex. I don't know, it looks pretty cool and it's also a really nice pan. Smoked black peppercorn. I usually keep it in this little thing I found at the antique shop for like 50 cents, and I saw it selling on eBay for about 150 bucks, so really cool score. This has been sitting out for about an hour. I want it to be at room temp. And for my steaks, just always salt and pepper. That's it. I've got this smoked black pepper, a little fancier for this Wagyu. Now, if you guys ever watch my steak videos, I usually put fat side down first and render that fat off, and I cook it in its own fat. Since this guy has such a small fat cap and I don't want to overcook it because it's so thin, I'm just going to cut off that fat cap and I'm just going to render that fat separately so I can cook it in that fat. Okay, as you can see, the fat is rendering out there in the pan. It's way better like this. Instead of using like a neutral oil like canola or something, it's much nicer to cook it in its own fat. So I'm good to go with my steak in there. She's rested long enough. Now I was told by Eric, the guy that gave me these steaks, which reminds me, go follow Pursuit Farms right now for the best damn steak. Awesome guy. I was told by him that with really nice marbled Wagyu like this, it's also nice to cook it a little mid-well, just so all that fat renders out. So I tried it out. Let's see how it is. All right, I'll try off just a piece on its own. Oh my God. Yo, this is so good. Damn. God. This melty Oaxaca cheese situation going on here. Ooh. A little over, but whatever. It's still cheese and it's still melty. Some of that steak on there. Tomatillo salsa. Melty cheese. Ooh, look at that. Of course, some flaky salt. And there you go, a freaking $200 taco. Oh my God. I know it seems like overkill, but it's so f***ing good. It's delicious. Okay, that is it. That is it for today's video. Go ahead and comment down below if you like this format or if you want me to even like start vlogging a little more. Subscribe if you're new here, hit that bell, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, correction, that steak is $600, so these are $600 tacos. Thanks for watching, bye.